Yeah, this is a 8mm exterior grade ply, nice smooth face, and I'm going to put grooves in it on my door to make it look like boards. So I've decided to put an 18mm sheet in and put grooves in that nicely look like boards. But tongue and groove tend to open and shut during different weather conditions, and the paint comes off and cracks down there. So I've decided to use 18mm ply and face it up. You could, if the boards would have been okay, I would have probably just cloaked it all the way in that ply what I've made. I changed my mind when I found out to renew boards. I tried to renew, but the bottom rail had gone rotten, and I turned the mortise and tenon joint into R-flaps. But this plywood is strengthening that as well, and I might on the inside put some corner thick ply gussets on. But I think it's plenty strong enough, but I like to be a bit OTT. Now this edge here is 2.5 inch from the centre, or what I wanted, to the centre. It was always 2.5 inch because my router, which is a Mac, and it's got that smooth edge there, like that, and that will run along there. The router bit I'm using, I've only just got it protruding, just a little bit, and it just leaves that hint of a tongue and groove, and not really impacting on the plywood. So I'm just going to route this one here. I'd finished on the plywood, but I decided there's a 3mm difference there, hardly 3mm, and I'm just going to run the router there just to take that edge off there and make it more acceptable. I could put another piece of ply on here, thin ply, but I'm not going to bother with that. I don't think you'll notice it. So I'm just running a bit of sandpaper just to take that roughness off it. It's coming off quite quick, so not going to be much of a job just to clean that edge up and make it more acceptable. Don't show the lips so much. Not for a minute. I think everybody's going to come and study the door to see that there's a little lip there. Make sure you never take the eye off the ball with a router. Hold it firmly down and up to the edge. Don't push it that much, the clamps are going to get away, but keep it firmly pressed in and down so it gets its full depth of what you've set your router bit for. This is the second door, obviously the back. I'm going to knock all these boards off, the same as I've done with the other side with the ply. This one's alright, it's not rotten. I'm going to sand this down on the back as well when the boards are off, because it's easier to paint later. But then when I've done that, when I've knocked them off, I'm putting this plyboard on, 18mm, put some grooves in it like I have the other, and they're both the same. I'm not trying to save them, as you can tell. One. Yeah, that's it. A bit more. Still on trailer at this end. Right, you can see what I'm doing. Put camera on again when I've done it. Yeah, I've spun it over now, and I've got a million nails to get out. Just use these grips and then turn it like that. Trying to keep my eye on where I'm going to put nails. A pair of pliers will be ideal for this job, but I haven't got any, and I'm holding camera in one hand, so it's making it a bit more awkward. They're coming out fairly easy, so I've got all that lot to go. Yeah, I've just run a sharp chisel down that rebate to clear all this gunk out. You can see here. I don't think I can do it one hand to show you, but it's easy enough. Sharp chisel and scrape it with two hands. You get it a lot easier. But just to give you an idea, and then just a bit on that leg, because it's probably got it with this side, but a bit, because this is all going to be glued, so I want that to be nice and clear. And I'll push all this stuff off and all, and I'll sand it all. Right, I've sanded all these down so glue will stick. I've got accurate measurement for a cross. And when I get that right, I'm going to try it in and then mark it along the bottom and then cut that off. And this is what I've sanded everywhere so the glue will get a good grip. And now I've got to cut the board to 40.5 inches. Yeah, I've set my saw so it's 1.5 inches in old imperial measurement, and I've set the straight edge 1.5 inches from the cut-off mark. Well, we've had lovely dry weather. Loans wanted some rain, so it's cool. I was enjoying the sunshine like everybody else, but just carry on. Another week or so it should get better. So here we are now. I've got the grooves in, all been routed. I'm using good paint. Dulux weather shield. So I'm getting it 2 undercoats, and now I'm going to give it 2 top coats. So I'll sign off while I'm painting. Reinforce that one there, and there. So needs another coat of paint. What I've done down there, these gaps, I've put some waterproof. It's not silicone, because I did make the mistake of putting silicone on to start with, but you can't paint it. This is what I've been using for waterproofing down the seams, and you can paint it. I found it very good. Yeah, there they are, all finished.